much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so e na ye de bremu one God nie the only one God in GH eho na da bia mehwe abrochefo ene Ghana for mo a mo wiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH kra.
Mawa akwa bashongo eba tuma GHS so na ama owusua enimidi na sabe so de na ye training issue pre na aso 70 ebesomo ewe ye fide eso na ebusuafo meko ensem no eso no sesi aja ase ade bako a edi ehimpa wo oman emu ene de friend no cyber bullying ni bi se wo bi ebie ni page was social media so na say wo di nyuma wo na bo hu obi a won penase bo fi be hu de ye no anase be bi o fi mpo no wo be ka ensema emu oya e de ato ye ni page so se na be ya wo be nya nu hu be nya ya obi ya obi di ya obi afa ni situation bi a e cause that nipa e aware of na mo be ka ya na sentemia e na de say legally wo bi abawe bi abindi ade na hene wa ade be chese de ye mu oya pa ade be to ni video ase e ka tre ne se wo ye boni sa ye obi anu ho nye fe a de se ye nsem a obi a tre ne se na abasama abawe yi e ba abonten e be pa cho na so ni em na akwa se ye di anra sa enkofo no wontimi entuo mu ase e fe free ye oman mu anase di pa setre because ye di anra nye nipa kwanya nya bako unya nipa bia so mo dwen pepe peda ye de amra obi be fa ye benkum obi so be fa nifa obi so be ko nim tin obi so be sa nechi sa na ye nipa sifa etie na de ama me e kan say ye silicheni abayo a osaye business woman Gloria Osafo na tese one day wo bi abeka sem ya yade fa no a tese wono ani page ni Instagram page wa ko post ni picture no wo de interactive with the fans na the picture we post ya nipa de nya hwe anka se wo be bisa de se da be da and wo be ware asa wo ba wo bi o keka ko 40 scratch se wo ya tra ne 40 no aden and wo to na tese picture twa and ye ne friend dem for eye Kofi B Instagram user and the Kofi B _edu and what is our comment way eba ye na say na wo tro ne nsem as say ade Gloria osafuna mu no abeyi na no na say na eye Kofi edu no tro ne nsem say please stop this rubbish and get yourself a man to marry. You are over 40 years. Very soon you will clock 50 years. When I saw this pic, I thought you were getting married, not knowing it's a photo shoot. Please, get yourself a man and have your children. Even Yvonne Nelson, who is more classier than you, has a child to boast of. All the same, I wish you all the best. Now I say, efutuo a say efutuo mo ye efutuo a say kase twie ewom ena na wode etuja ede ama eye Gloria Osafo ebra wo post picture na say picture no we fra kente fefe de say ni obi a wokoware ma na wo ye engagement no wo mododo na bi ahusesie ni bi ana ye kan say ahimafo wo mo ahusesie ni bi na say odi girema wodi etwa sanfo ni na dodo na gin say ya ware bi ena ye koso traditional marriage bi na ye koso na nya so enfoni keke en wode beto wan se dan kire hwe amfa ho na no ena nam so ma eye Kofi B _edu ebeka sa semu ya se wode etwi ne nim se nyia na wonyi so hu no ho so ya kwala na se de bia da na picture twankwa na se me wale so ase de obewale so no wade ye no we nyaye nti nchen ya de beti aba edna wo cheche mu edi efa de foto mu edi ama no na no ana Gloria Yesafo ehun ye no say ene social media na ye fo a ene credit bo ene da form a obi etimi to credit ye bando edi ko social media nka semfun bi say wan kra no benya kunya kra be jale nim agata semwe edi ache no nti wo hwe nya minim ehwe form hwe nchenchen ene no so aba bonte na wa be reply eye cyber troll yi na ebusa for ye chese na eye Gloria Safo reply no na say and what your name say oh how I wish I was over 40 years and soon clocking 50, cause by then hopefully people like you would have known and believed in what is called God's timing, and maybe just maybe you might be alive to see how glorious my 40s and 50s would be. My soul is glad because anytime I see stuff like this, it only reassures me of the fact that another glory is near. Who will God prepare the table before if there are no enemies? Who? I say, what they add to one on the danger, no war catcher, my son said, one of the and some be say, what ya a shilling crown. And some be say, what ya a chachin of red. And some be say, what ya a truly GDM was answer when say, me now go pontia say. What to na kwan or to nyame ye na enche enonyam hye ebibeba na enonyam hye so ba ese enkof ese enkof bi say enwo wo se no mbewu maka say ye kan yo we de yenimu ato abeto danti ye nya de betimi aye e de afonto no de wo se asemwe aye ya brand ya bekan empusu no bakubakubako say en shekin na ebom no a shedding cry e boost to the faith cry we echi na se no wo tro ne sem no tumu say no be say on or we some be what as no person unclear the atmosphere says sir abrante no accession so we 40 years what like 50 years no nya no plenty gloria safo person won fan to yenim say won no 40 or that's why na me 30s and as on nam yeah younger than 40s now abrante no e de man no na to say tem no etse na me de atumanim na busa for cyberbullying dodo na no celebrity see aso na ediko na wo behwe mu krampa some mo de to krampa na some aye twa fa ho krampa no ense da emfa wo bia brabo mu enye obia no wonya to say enye pepepe wo bia brabo obia wo problems obia go into hardship in any area of their life oh baby wo de no say wo sika na so baby na awawe enu obi so awawe no so na hara na sika any abawo enu obia ne wo face wa brabo mu enu ti sometimes no I just say you're too harsh with our fellow human beings. Emma just said, yeah, edina so edi true minimum. Obia ne nembre. Satia nyapo enya pesa. Unya ware entem and just say, Wobia sunya ware entem. Na me ena sheshe sa ebre ene grabia no ene manipa. Nunti eya yenyai. Especially ye ba social media so na te be comment no. Yenyai say ye de kasa your feelings attacking a man for because you don't know. Sa brand nipa no so do all film ene nyema bi to so litim o regret na wasem bia ukoka no na akoko say emotional stress bi amana say na akwa psychological na say bi krapo ebetimi afemu e de dupone akoma no nti yenye very very careful with the way I address other people on social media so ene me di besi a wo so wadwen tre efa ensem no ewo no ba mo di ana fa so me your comment section na ebiem so no share video we na to say enko echiwe. Now we are the sounds to know what's up following our Twitter and your Instagram handles at TooMuchGH_. Facebook also TooMuchGH. Nana ama usua enemy din na me yaduma. Yebesa di shabi makram.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam. One who yam no no. One who near be a wash other place in the cat one. Na bomber de never share too much GH beshe ne so scrap bomber den o beshepe na why ye so scrap o so scrap so scrap na so scrap na o so scrap na ubenya ne ma papa a ope ahwe nyame shira na ura
too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey Isaac Odwampo, obetumi afem the great ampo mbrembren. Wonu me nka mo ni hwe Too Much GH. Too Much GH, mo ye too much. Na me so me ye amo fire.
Too much GH. Me did that say Japan. A break PM person TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.